Hello, Impactful Parents. So today we are going to see if we can take off a thing from the clothing when they beat. So went and got these pants for my daughter, and of course they didn't take off of this thing. I had driven all the way to the outlet malls for back to school shopping to save money. There's my receipt saying I actually paid for the pants, and I did not just steal them. But they didn't take it off, and so the outlet malls are about a 30-minute drive from my house, and I really don't want to go back there. So I YouTubed how to take these things off, and the first suggestion they had were these forks. And you take the forks back to back like this, and then you stick them in here and you pry it open. The problem was that didn't work for me. I just ended up bending my forks. So I don't know if I don't have strong forks or why that didn't work, but that didn't work for me. So I pulled out the good old toolkit, and we're gonna try their option number 2, and I thought I'd record it for you to see you can watch me do this. I'm hoping we don't burn the pants, but it literally is taking the and burning off the whatever this is right there, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna burn that. Create a hole so we could take out the ball bearings inside, and then it should release it. We are doing this outside, which is really, really important. Also, you want to be safe, obviously. And the other thing that they recommended was to have some needle nose pliers. So my needle nose pliers, let's see, should have them in here. Oh, there they are. One of these. And I put here on the cement in case, things get out of hand. It's gonna land right on here. So let's see how this works. Okay, I'm trying to keep the pants, obviously not to get burned in this process. And it's supposed to light like a candle with a little bit of time. Obviously melting the plastic. That's okay too. There it goes, it's starting to catch on fire now. I can't imagine that is very healthy at all for anybody to breathe in these chemicals of melting this plastic either. So being outside is super important. Oof. I still can't see on the inside yet. It's still melting the outside plastic. Still can't see the inside. Can you see it down in this way? Waiting to see if we can see the inside. I feel like I could probably get my needle nose pliers and open that, but now it's just getting the outside. The middle's not even burning anymore, so I'm going to blow it out. And yeah, there it is on the inside. Just try pulling it first. Nope, that's not going to work. But now we can see inside. I think using a really heavy magnet would have been a much easier way to do this, but I do not have a magnet. Okay, yeah, see, look, there is the... There really isn't anything keeping it anymore except for that metal piece. Well, this may not be working either. It's like, what do you try next? It's definitely wanting to come off now. We're so close. Ah, there it is. Bam. It worked. Yay! She can wear her pants. Thanks. Do you have any other suggestions? Have you ever been stuck in this predicament? I'm sure you have. I mean, this happens all the time. How have you gotten your security thing off your kids' clothes? Please, there's got to be a better way. Leave us suggestions.